Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Adobe Audition for loudness normalization. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Audition on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing audio file. Navigate to the window menu in the top toolbar. Select Amplitude Statistics from the drop-down list. In the Amplitude Statistics panel, click on Scan. This will analyze your audio file for loudness levels. Once the analysis is complete, take note of the integrated loudness value. Now, go to the Effects menu at the top of the screen. Select Amplitude and Compression from the drop-down. Choose Normalize, Process from the submenu. In the Normalize dialog box, set the loudness level you desire. A typical target for loudness normalization is around -16 LUFS for online content. Make sure to check the Normalize to option. Enter your chosen loudness level in the provided field. Click Apply to process the audio. Now, listen to your audio to ensure the levels are consistent. If adjustments are needed, repeat the normalization process. Save your project by going to the File menu. Select Save as to keep your original audio if needed. Choose your file format and location, then click Save. Your audio is now properly set up for loudness normalization. You can proceed to export or share your audio as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.